The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, guys. Happy Friday, fellas. Thank you, Dennis. Thank you, Deepak. Happy Friday, guys. Today is Friday, October 20th. Last day of the trade week.
Retail sales 3.2% year-over-year.
Bots are up currently 350. Hey, Paul, good morning. Good morning. Guys, very good morning. It's been a very good week, both for the bots,
Brazil's
order flow.
activity index
Volatility has been crazy. I expect a
month-to-month is a contraction.
little bit more today. It is
August
options
data.
expiration. Today is OPEX day. So we will probably have some crazy volatility, I would assume. It's very interesting that there are hundreds of millions of dollars worth of puts, SPY, SPX puts, I assume Qs, I didn't look, that expire today. It'd be interesting to see if market makers are going to pay out billions of dollars. Remember, as those puts get covered, we could see a bid. So because the market has been, pretty much shot in the head, doesn't mean we can't go up. Morning, Mike. Jock, good morning. In any event, guys, it's Friday. We wrap up the week today. Volume is a little heavy overnight. The deltas are insignificant. I'll go over charts in a minute. I will quickly read the disclaimer, and then we'll get down to business. I don't think we have any news today whatsoever. Good morning, Mark. Amin, good morning. Happy Friday to you as well. I don't think we have any news of any interest today. In fact, I'm almost sure we don't. U.S. government required disclaimer: futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. I set it up somewhere around 3:25 in the afternoon, and it took 5 trades with 4 winners. It took 2 trades last night, both winners. And then this morning it's taken, I don't know, maybe 5 trades with 4 winners. So many of you have this. I'll play with this a little bit today. I'll set that to buy the close. See if we get anything here. In any event, that's what we got. Coming down, guys. Probably down to 23. If you're short, we're coming lower. All right. Let's take a look here. Volume is heavy. Yeah, it is, Peter. Yeah. It has been for several years. I just don't show it much because I don't have screen space for everything. And then every once in a while, somebody will email Dean and say, well, he runs a great room, but, he's order flow trading, he's bot trading, he's doing this, he's doing that. It's confusing. Well, go join a room that can't trade. All right, NASDAQ. Now I tell you. Yeah, I've had it. Frankly, Buy Side Global. That's right. Join Buy Side Global. Told you we're coming down, guys. Anybody take the short? Yeah. Listen, I have one goal. I only have one motive. That's for you guys to make money. I don't care if it comes from order flow trades, bot trades. I don't care if we use an abacus. If we make money every day, we've done our job. Seriously. I can tell you this for a fact. And you guys, I talked to Dean yesterday, and you guys know that Dean knows every single room in existence. There are a handful of rooms, literally a handful of 25, 2,600 rooms that actually trade in full view. I trade in full view. Yep, Chad's been with me for over 4 years. He said, I've got members. I mean, Brad, I don't know if Brad's in the room. Brad's been with me at least 10 years, 8 years, somewhere around there. In any event, NASDAQ, total volume, 112,000 contracts. So we're well ahead of our average volume when we come in. Net negative delta, 600 contracts. It's not extreme, but I think that's where we're headed. ES, heavy volume on the ES. Almost 6,000 on the net negative delta. Gold, heavy volume in gold. Heavy gold. 96,000 contracts have traded. Small negative delta at this point. Big seller here, unfinished auction to trade back to. Crude, heavier volume, 800 contract, positive delta, but it's starting to slightly decrease. It's been pretty consistent. It's only down a couple hundred contracts. Bond yield, you guessed it, high of the day. Thank you, Amin. I mean, it doesn't bode well at this point. Anybody take the short? When I said NASDAQ short, you got target one. Anybody take that short? Target
Order filled.
hang on, guys. We got a trade. NASDAQ actually took a trade long on this bounce. This is on the breakout indicator. Nice, Chad. So I'll set it to sell the close in case it breaks down. So I'm using the same settings that Arjan sent me. If anybody that has the breakout indicator wants to play with it, send me an email. I'll send you the settings. So for those of you guys that don't know, this is going to reverse. For those of you guys that do not know,
Order filled.
these are
Order canceled. Order canceled.
these are custom. These are not parabolic SAR. These are custom programming. It's 3 standard deviations. We're holding this swing low here. We're sitting right on value area low. So this is going to have to break down. But I'll play with this when the room opens. No. They interfere.
Order canceled.
They interfere with my, I have them on other charts. I mean, we're going up. We're going to get a small bounce. They interfere with what I see in here. I like very clean charts. I don't like, I have them on other charts, but I like clean charts. We're going to get a bounce in here. Her levels are excellent. I have them here. I have them on this indicator. So it's set. We'll forget it. I'm more interested in playing with this once the market opens and there's some movement. I think we may make it down to 13. If you guys are short, let me look at a bigger time frame. Yeah, target is 809. I haven't seen her in the room in a not going far on 17 buyers, but we typically make more money before. Yeah, I know. Yeah, it's a I I mean I've been doing this a long time. I know there are rooms that make claims, but there are a few that actually have people that can trade. Most of them are full of shit. Pardon my French. I don't want any shorts down here. Why did crude?
Target filled.
There's target. I've got this set for trail, not break even. So I'll set it to sell the close. So if it breaks down, it'll take the trade on the flip.
The August Canada retail sales data in just a few seconds.
Order filled.
All right.
Order canceled.
Retail sales minus 0.1% is in line with expectation.
In line.
Prior rise to 0.4% from 0.3% for retail sales.
Looks like we want to get a. We're building a small bear flag on this pullback.
Canada retail sales like autos minus 0.1% is in line.
Got good support at 6/4. This should go up.
Order filled.
All right, I'm gonna wait until we have some more volatility. Morning, Patrick. Guys, the net negative delta is not significant. I'm looking to get short somewhere up near 30. We're coming down from here. Not yet. ES getting a small bid, but it's
Order filled.
all right. NASDAQ went long on the bot. This can go to 37. ES might get back to 42.90. Do 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 do. If this is going to go long, it's here up to 37, maybe. It's got to hold in here. We're trying to push above the value area low at 21.25. As long as it stays above that 21.25, you got 54 seconds to the next 5-minute bar. I think it'll at least hit that first target. Small buyers here. I think we pop. Come on. We could pull back to 16, but I think we pop here. We're holding value area low. Six sellers. I mean, it's that slow. 5. Now some net buying. There we go. Come on. A little bit of resistance here at 26.50 and 28.50. Small. One,
Target
there it is.
filled.
Target one filled. I would try a 31 if it can get there
Order submitted.
on the short.
Stop filled.
Out. I don't know that it can get there.
Order canceled.
The other short, you could try 16 half. CL trying to get 89.52. This is what's got to go here, guys. About 7.5, right? We're put right here. This resistance. We clear this 91, and I think this is a quick scooty. I mean, this is the ES. It has 187 buyers here on a 3-minute bar. Nothing. Now 90. No, nothing. No oomph. Okay, we are off. ES looks like it wants to push to 4,300. NASDAQ coming back. And we're going to get a short at 34.35.
Order filled.
Holding support here. I think we've got lag. 43. Yeah,
Target filled.
I have lag. We're at 31, guys.
Stop filled.
God dang Ninja. God, I hate Ninja. Seriously. We're at 37.
It's Harker. Hearing inflation is easing faster than we thought. The economy is softening faster than we thought.
Harker speaking. We're at
Contracts
32.
are asking for time to adjust.
We're coming down, guys. I'm lagging. Disregard my charts on the screen. We are at 30. I'm going to trade ES, guys. ES coming down. Can't trade NASDAQ. I'm 15 handles behind. ES looks like, let's see, I missed the initial trade on ES because I was watching NASDAQ. All right, 27, I'm still behind. We're shorts on the NASDAQ. If you have data and you're not lagging, I'm going to short ES here.
Order filled.
ES at 92.50. I'd like to get to 85. My stop is going to be 96.75. Target 1 is 91. Taking that. Little bit of support here at 92.50. My target is 85.50. Call it 86. Come on, break down below 91. Target 1 is 87. Target 2 is 82.50. Here, chopping around. Meanwhile, Nasdaq's blowing out. I think I'm caught up on Nasdaq. Anybody take that 34 short? Got 15 handles in it.
Order submitted.
Got to come back down through 93.50. ES is just holding the support at 90. 90's got a break on ES. It's going up. Needs to fail below 94. If we get
Order filled. Stop filled.
oh, the fucking lag. God almighty, I hate Ninja 17. Should have shut the bots off. The lag is killing me. Out on the ES. It's the lag, guys. Nasdaq's at 32. Below that 76 right there.
Order filled. Target filled. Target filled.
Both targets hit. Not yet. Come on.
Target filled.
All right. Targets hit.
Order filled.
30 range bot short.
Target filled.
Target 1
Stop filled.
out. 30 range bot up 460. We just put in a small bottom. I'm looking for pullback longs, 2,600 on the positive delta.
Target filled.
I have no idea. Oh, that was the, I had this set for shorts. So now I'm set it for longs. Now we're breaking down. We're coming into yesterday's close. We're going to come to 34. We're going to come to 34. I'm going to sell 2.
Order filled. Target filled.
Target 1. We almost hit.
Order filled.
I'll kill this runner.
Target
No,
filled.
got it. Green, fellas. So for those of you guys that have this,
Order
no,
filled.
it just flipped into a short.
Order canceled.
I'll say I set my target all the way up at these lower highs. I think we pull back to 15. Whoop, let me get that second target and put it at 15.
Target filled. Order canceled.
We're coming back to 15. Now I'll set this for buy the close. So the one, if there's one change that I'm going to ask Joel to make on this, this is my breakout indicator. This has been around for a couple of years. If there's one change that I want Joel to make on this, it's that. So for instance, if I set them both, right? So I set sell the close. I know it's not going to short. It's already in a short. If the long triggers, it leaves the short on. So that on the, I don't have,
Order filled.
so I don't have to keep doing reversals.
Target filled.
Target filled.
Target filled.
Target filled. See, so now I have to do the reversal, right? It's already in longs. That's the only thing that I don't like about this. And I never caught it before.
Order filled.
.30 range is long. Got a lot going on here today, fellas.
Target filled.
Target filled.
Stop filled.
Stop.
Order filled.
Stop filled. All right.
Target filled.
Another target filled.
Target filled.
Another target filled. It's up 970. So now I've got to set it for longs. It's already in a short.
Order filled.
Just filled a long on the bounce up.
Target filled.
Another target filled. I'll put that up there and let it auto trail. It's trailing at 3 standard deviations. These are not, this is not a parabolic SAR. This is customized programming. And it just shorted. I'll let it take a small loss if it wants to. I don't care. It's another target.
Target filled.
Target filled. So that's the one change that I want to have Joel fix. While it's fully automated, you have to reset it
Order
every
filled.
trade. We're going up.
Target filled.
Got target 1.
National Hurricane Center. Tropical
So I'll
storm.
set the buy now on the long.
Atlantic has
Order filled.
been
It
upgraded
just
to
went
hurricane
long.
strength.
Just went long. We're just wedged. 2 minutes are in shorts, but the stop is ginormous. I can't take the trade.
Order canceled.
We're trying to break up out of a 2-minute trend line. Ten sellers here, 13 sellers.
Stop filled.
Okay.
Order filled.
Nice job, Dennis.
Order filled.
Up 2,100 on the third 30 range bot. Freaking sitting. 2 minute is ugly. 1 minute is uglier. 10 minute can't go anywhere.
Order filled. Order filled.
30 range just got target 1 again. That's the crap. We can't even go 30 ticks at this point in any direction. We're going 5 handles.
Incrementally here,
Stop
the Finnish
filled.
government saying that police there are saying a heavy object was found in the vicinity of the gas pipeline damage, updating on the pipeline story from earlier this week.
Still think we're going to break down here.
Order filled.
All right, the 1 minute bot just went short.
Again, in the last several weeks, we've seen both Swedish and Finnish governments indicate potential sabotage to their pipelines.
We're married to VWAP, guys. This 2 minute is trying to break down. Come on, break. Here comes the breakdown. 21's target now. Here comes the breakdown. We're going to have to get below 25. Below 25, we get it. We held the bottom of the 2 minute cloud again. I'm sitting tight, guys.
Order filled.
I'm sitting tight here until we break down.
Target filled.
Oh, the trend.
Target filled.
Both targets hit again here. Set it for sell to close again because I'm trying to work shorts. So it'll go long, won't take a trade. And then when it flips short, it'll take the short. All right, here comes first target on the
Order filled.
1 minute bot.
Target filled.
There's first target on the 1 minute.
Target filled.
Oh, sorry, guys. I got so much going on here. This got target 1 here. I'm going to move this down to here. See if we get that move. We're breaking down now. We're going to get a 2 minute close finally below the cloud. NASDAQ is getting close to blowing out. It's blowing out now. You can see the second target all the way down here, 48.50. I don't know that it can get that. But when the trail catches up, it'll auto trail. For now, the 1 minute's at break even. 2 contracts up 950.
Stop filled.
Man, talk about volatility.
More from this SLB conference call. And they
Order
do expect
filled.
strong free cash flow in the fourth quarter. Sierra Lima Bravo.
Back in a short.
Stocks coming
Still
under
trying to
continued
get that
pressure here
move.
near the lows of the day. 42.56 in the S&P cash market. 33,270 or so.
This is a
in
pullback
the
for a
Dow.
short.
VIX north of 21, up another
Order filled.
slightly lower on the day currently.
Target filled.
This is now resistance.
Target filled.
There's target 1. I'm trying to get this complete breakdown, guys, on this on the breakout indicator. Just let it auto trail down into 05. These blue lines here are swings. So it's got higher lows in here. It's going to have to break down through these swings. There we go. There we go. There we go.
Target filled.
It's up 1250. This is the coolest crap ever, man. This is, in my opinion, this is the best indicator ever built. There's the breakdown. Finally, that 2 minute was a bear. Target now is 73. 73. Got $2,000 on the runner on the 1 minute. So just to explain what I've done for you guys that are members and anybody that may watch this video at home or later today on YouTube. This morning I ran the Uniranko. I since have switched to the 1 minute, and I did that based on Dean's analysis. SPX didn't even give me much of a pullback on the 15 minute. 73 is where this is coming, guys. Now they're blowing them out. And then 47. 73 bounce, and then 47. Let me look at SPY. SPY is going to head to 422 and change, which is the 200-day moving average. Be interesting for calls down there for next week. Here's a small pullback. Nothing on the pullback. We could bounce all the way back up. I don't think so. To 813. We're down to 500 net buyers. They've sold everything back. They're in the member area, Ken. Guys, don't forget, if anybody is requesting a payout from Apex, today is the last day to
Stop filled.
come on, push back up into that resistance. Nice job, Peter. That's huge. 2,000 on a PA account. Yes, Seth, it's the original. That's the education I did on my manual scalping and how it converts to how you can use it on the 30 range bot. That's the education I did about 5 or 6 weeks ago. Got 150 on the positive delta. Some buyers came in down here again. So for me, looking at this 1 minute, right? This is about that's my zone. Anything above 900 and I probably kill the trade. If it breaks down here, we're going to get that last target, I would think. It's a free fall.
Target filled.
Now it's a free fall. There it goes. Finally got that push lower here. Now it's just trailing on the breakout. That was this short. And I'm sitting down here. Let's go to 50. See if we can run this down to 50. Just let it auto trail. 47's the next stop after a bounce here.
Order filled.
At 73 is support. It's a pivot. We've gone small negative delta here. Small negative delta. Come on, break that 73 and just flush yourself. There it goes. Hit again, break. Come on.
Order filled.
There we go. Almost a $3,000 runners on the 1 minute bot, guys. $3 grand. I won't sell bottoms, so that's why I'm kind of sitting tight. I've done some small stuff in PAs, one contract trades down here, but I won't sell bottoms. So this is still in a short, guys. I'm only taking shorts. If it takes me out at 78, it does.
Stop filled.
Out. It's up 14.95. I have no long. The only long I'd try is a bounce off 50. Going to get another pullback short here. No, maybe not. If this gets up through 86, it can make, I don't know that it can or cannot, but through 86, this is going to bounce higher. The negative delta is to 500. That would be where this could get a bounce. So we've moved lower, but if you look at your delta, the selling pressure is not exorbitant here. So now we're doing this. Think NASDAQ can get its 200-day next week. 14,600 is a double bottom on the daily. Nice job, Peter. 2,900 bucks. Nice job. If that 600 goes, we're coming to the 200-day. Let me look at SPYs. They got to be damn close. 423.50. 422.30 is it's got about a 1.5 in there. Did that hit? No. Came to 50. That's where I said it would bounce long. Not much of a bounce. Gold over $2,000.
Target filled.
Ray, you in the room? Ray? There it is, guys. 4,400 on the bot. 4 contracts, 4,400. That will not take another trade today. This is going to hell in a handbasket. No, you, Ray. I surely hope to shit your guy didn't short gold that you Skyped me on Sunday. I told you it was going up. If he did, he's buried. Can you say buried? Reversion to the mean. I mean, gold is sky high. It's just insane. Gold is going to get to 2010 to 11. That's next up. Complete breakout. I mean, it's blowing above it's $17 above the 200-day moving average. It is crazy. It's oversold. Peter, nice job. I mean, it's overbought. I said oversold. It's overbought. Guys, the only way I can get a short now is a pullback to 85. I can't sell this down here. I don't sell bottoms. I mean, this thing could sell to hell in a handbasket. We only have 750 contracts on the negative delta. It is options expiration. So I would not be surprised to see some type of reversal. $52.6. Modar, 52.6.
Taking a look at market internals and ways
At 52.6, your trailing stop remains 50,100.
Volume 4% below its 1-month
and you can actually take a payout at 52.6.
Fixed index trading roughly flat at 21.49. Should be noted that today is U.S. options expiration, which helps to account for that 60% bump in the NYSE volume versus.
All right, we're getting a pullback here.
Order filled.
30 range bot just took a long. Resistance is 72.
Target filled.
Another target.
Target filled.
Another target. So here's what we got, guys. The bot is an aggregate total. 44, 8, 52, 5,300. And for 53, 63, call it 6,800 bucks aggregate total. 6,800 bucks. Here. We're going to get a rebound today. I can tell you that. There's no doubt in my mind. They're selling down here, but it is not aggressive selling down here. Next 15-minute bar is in 4 minutes. There is sellers, but it's not aggressive.
Stop filled.
Figures takes me out and then goes. See if we can get a target here. I have levels that I'll be long at. I don't care what this thing is done. Through 35, this could go back 7.
Target filled.
There's target 1. Through 35, this can go 780. Momentum to the downside died again, but it's got to get through 35. And this could be a rip to 780 and above 780, 850. I don't know that it can do that, but I'm telling you that those are the levels I'm looking at. Net negative delta is 850 contracts and dropping. I'm waiting for this to flip long for me on a 1 minute. If it takes me out on the runner here, so be it. I've got it set to buy buy along again. I'm telling you, one of these trades is going to get a rip for 40 handles. They will, my opinion, they will leave Europe holding the bag over the weekend with a war pending all over Hell's Half Acre.
Stop filled.
Out again. This looks like it wants to push again. Guys, if we get a bounce after we close the room, the bounce is above 32 for the long. I mean, this thing could flop to 8 or 657, but it's just pulling all that resistance lower and lower. Overhead resistance has dropped to 25. So now I'll move above 25.
Stop filled.
Note on
Filled.
T24.
Target
see
filled.
Watch him move above
Trump
710.
about these rules yesterday in his speech and said he couldn't comment
Target
due
filled.
to the ongoing comment period. Whether they're doing this to allow interested parties more time to analyze issues and prepare comments, but asking banks to supply additional data on the proposed capital rules.
ES is getting a bounce here. I like ES long above maybe 73 with target one at 78. All right, NASDAQ, I'm all right. So we're getting the bounce. We're getting the bounce in the NASDAQ. And if this gets above 18, she goes rock steady. 10 is it, but 10 is the flip, but I really need this above maybe 16. Careful if you're short. 600 buyers just came in, guys, in this 3-minute bar. We're down to 1,000 net sellers. Going to go below 1,000 on the net sellers. We're close here to a flip. So now I'm looking for a long. I'm getting close to wanting longs. I'm going to set this to buy the close on the buy side because I'm only interested in longs down here. I have no interest in shorts down here. All right, I'm getting a pullback here on the 1 minute. We're below 1,000 on the sellers. Pop back up above, but we're jockeying around just over and just under 1,000 net sellers. Come on, give me the pullback on the 1 minute with buyers.
Order filled.
All right, it just executed another long. So it's got 3 contracts on. She's close, guys. We're up and down around 1,000 now on the delta. Negative. Through 10, it's going to rip. A little bit of resistance here at the swing high. Come on, flip. Boy, I like this long. Going below 900. Come on, flip.
Order filled.
All right, I tried a long here at 02. This should push to 15. That would be my second target, 16. Man, it's so close. It's pushing 2-minute resistance. Come on, push through 6. There it is. We flipped. Now 8. 6 and 8. We got 6. We need 8. So we got 3 contracts on the
Target filled.
well, now
Target
2.
filled.
There's my 2 targets. Here we go. You don't want to be short.
Target filled.
15 hit. You don't want to be short. You do not want to be short. 73 long ES, target 179. You do not want to be short. Just let the trend bot go. Let's move this to 44 because that's where it's going. 46. It's going to 46, guys. We're down 200 on the net negative delta. 200. That's it. Below 200. So I'm going to buy the close again. I'm just going to keep adding into the trade. I'm not interested in shorts. This is going to work its way to 46. Above 46. It's a rocket ship. SPX, interesting trade to 64. We're 42.40. I think you could buy 42.50s here if you like out of the money, or 42.45s, Deepak. Got small 2-minute resistance to 19. Small. It's got to get through 19. And then it's going to push to 34. Above 34, it goes 48.
Order filled.
All right, added some contracts. Got 4 on.
Target filled.
Another target. Is this not
Target filled.
the coolest indicator, guys, or what? I'm just going to set it to buy close again on the up move. Send me an email, Amin. No. Just send me an email. Brent, if anybody that's interested can buy it, just send me an email. Price just went up 50% on the breakout? Okay. Yes. Send me an email. Anybody, listen, if you guys have the breakout indicator, send me an email and I'll send you the settings that Arjan sent me. I didn't come up with the settings. He did. Don't email him. Just send me an email. I'll send you the settings. All right, it's up 2,400. Still like longs, not interested in shorts. We now have a small positive delta again. Next Saturday, tomorrow's the 21st, the 28th. I might be able to do that. I'll start using it in the room. I haven't used it in 3 months of Sundays because of space. "12 hours from Miami? Is it that far? Damn. And then 30 hours from Laguna Beach. I'd say we have the party in Laguna Beach. We flipped back into shorts here on the 2-minute. Still like longs, guys. Went positive delta. Now we're back to a negative delta down near the low of the day with a small negative delta. I still like longs.
Order filled.
So what I'm going to do now is buy the close. One of these is going to go. I'm telling you, we're going to get a monster trade out of this. 1.5 hours from Chicago at 240 knots. Well, let's go. It's a costume party, so dress up. What's he flying at 240 knots? I don't know. Deepak, what kind of plane? What's the plane?
Or target filled.
Cirrus SR-22T, whatever the hell that is. Got 2 wings and a propeller. Set this to buy the close again. I'm going to keep adding until this gets my target. Oh, and it's got 4 seats. That's the plane with the parachute? I had no idea, dude. Mike flew an Aerostar twin for 30 years. Now he owns a helicopter. Yeah, me too. I'm not really doing anything because what I'm waiting for are the longs on the 1 minute. And I don't have them. I had the one, we pulled back. We have a negative delta of 60 contracts, and when this rockets, it's gonna go. I'm telling you, it's gonna go.
Target filled.
Another contract off.
We are seeing bond yields across Europe move a little bit lower, along with some of the buying we're seeing, reactionary buying we're seeing here in the
Man, that's not even funny. I'll tell you guys a
US
story.
curve. The U.S. 10-year yield is now
Here are the totals. I still like the longs. I'm not interested in shorts. Maybe we sell into the close of Europe, but we'll get a bounce. Breakout up 1600. The original bot up 44.55. The 30 range up 860. I don't even know what the totals are today. A lot on the bots. I can't give you a total on the trend bot because I forgot to turn it on when I reloaded Ninja. So I don't have a total on the trend bot. I don't sell bottoms. I will not sell the bottom down here. I don't care what it does.